If your bathtub drain is leaking, knowing when to use plumber's putty versus silicone sealant can save you a lot of hassle and water damage. Alright, so here's the deal. When you're installing or replacing a bathtub drain, plumber's putty is usually your go-to for sealing the drain flange to the tub surface. It's soft, easy to work with, and gives a nice watertight seal without making a mess. You just roll it into a rope, stick it under the drain flange, and tighten it down. Silicone sealant, on the other hand, is more like an adhesive and works best for sealing cracks or rough edges where putty won't stick well, like if your tub's surface is chipped or rusted around the drain. But heads up, silicone can be messy and tricky to clean up, so save it for those situations. Also, don't forget to replace the rubber gasket between the drain body and the tub underneath, because that gasket often causes leaks if old or damaged. Tightening the drain without a proper gasket or relying only on putty usually won't cut it. If you're dealing with metal parts that tend to rot over time, silicone might hold better long term, but expect it to be a pain to remove later if needed. Quick tip: avoid over-tightening because it can crack your tub or crush the gasket and cause leaks anyway. So basically, plumber's putty for a clean finish on smooth tubs and silicone for rough or damaged surfaces, and always swap out that gasket. One of the biggest mistakes people make when fixing bathtub drain leaks is skipping the gasket replacement. Using an old or damaged gasket just leads to leaks no matter what sealant you use. Fix that by always installing a new rubber gasket designed for your drain model. Another common issue is using silicone where plumber's putty should be. Silicone can cause a huge mess, stick where you don't want it, and make future repairs a nightmare. So just keep silicone for cracks or damaged edges and putty for the flange seal. Lastly, over-tightening the drain assembly can crack the tub or squash the gasket, which ironically causes leaks instead of stopping them. Hand tighten until snug, then give a quarter turn max to avoid damage. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff about fixes like this. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, BigHomeProjects.com helps you find clients nearby who need your skills, making home repairs less stressful for everyone.